A nightly ritual can help you relax and prepare for sleep. Establishing a consistent routine before bed can signal to your body that it's time to wind down, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Adding clove water to your nightly routine can have a positive impact on your overall health. Clove water is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. It's easy to make and incredibly beneficial. Simply steep a few cloves in hot water for about 10 minutes, and you'll have a soothing drink that's perfect for bedtime. The aroma itself can be quite relaxing. Imagine a simple addition to your nightly routine that could improve your health. Drinking clove water can aid in digestion, boost your immune system, and even help with respiratory issues. Clove water is a natural and effective way to support your well-being. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you feel. Incorporating clove water into your evening can help you feel your best. Pair it with other relaxing activities like meditation or gentle yoga to enhance its benefits. Discover how this natural remedy can improve your sleep and overall health. With regular use, you may find yourself waking up more refreshed and ready to take on the day. Clove water can help with digestion, especially after a heavy meal. Cloves contain compounds that aid in the digestive process. Drinking clove water after dinner can help soothe the stomach. It can also reduce bloating and indigestion. If you experience occasional digestive discomfort, consider adding clove water to your nightly routine. It's a natural and effective way to promote healthy digestion. Clove water is rich in antioxidants, which can help strengthen your immune system. Antioxidants protect your body from harmful free radicals. Cloves contain vitamin C, which is known to boost immunity. A strong immune system can help your body fight off infections. Drinking clove water regularly can help support your immune system, especially during seasonal changes. It's a natural way to stay healthy year-round. Section 4. Cloves, a spice with natural healing power. Cloves are a spice with a long history of medicinal use. They contain eugenol, a powerful compound with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Eugenol makes cloves a natural pain reliever. It can help reduce pain and inflammation throughout the body. For centuries, people have used cloves to address a variety of health concerns. The natural properties of cloves make them a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Section 5. Clove water for a peaceful night. In this section, we will explore the benefits of clove water and how it can contribute to a peaceful and restful night. Clove water can have a calming effect on both the mind and body. The natural compounds found in cloves, such as eugenol, are known for their soothing properties. Its soothing aroma can help reduce stress and anxiety. Inhaling the steam from clove water can create a sense of tranquility, making it easier to unwind after a long day. Drinking clove water before bed can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. The warm, comforting beverage can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. It's a natural alternative to over-the-counter sleep aids. Unlike some medications, clove water doesn't come with the risk of dependency or unwanted side effects. If you're looking for a natural way to unwind before bed, try incorporating clove water into your nightly routine. Preparing clove water is simple and can become a soothing ritual in itself. It can help you relax and enjoy a more restful sleep. By making clove water a part of your bedtime routine, you may find that you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed. Section 6. Clove water for a healthier smile. Clove water can benefit your oral health too. Its antibacterial properties can help freshen breath and promote healthy gums. Rinsing your mouth with clove water can reduce bacteria and improve oral hygiene. It's a natural way to maintain a healthy smile. Incorporate clove water into your oral care routine to experience its refreshing and cleansing properties. It's a natural way to keep your breath fresh and your smile bright. Section 7. Experience the benefits of clove water tonight. Adding clove water to your nightly routine is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your health. From aiding digestion to boosting immunity, clove water offers a wide range of benefits. Clove water is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. This can lead to improved overall health and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Try incorporating clove water into your evening routine and see the difference it can make. Not only can it help you unwind after a long day, but it can also prepare your body for a restful night's sleep. You can enjoy a more restful sleep improved digestion, and relief from stomach discomfort. The soothing properties of clove water can help ease bloating and gas, making it an excellent choice for those with digestive issues. Additionally, clove water can contribute to a stronger immune system. The antimicrobial properties of cloves help fight off infections and keep your body resilient against illnesses. Embrace the natural healing power of cloves. These tiny but mighty spices have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their numerous health benefits. Experience the transformative benefits of clove water. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, boost your immunity, or simply enjoy a calming bedtime ritual, clove water can be a valuable addition to your daily routine. Start your journey towards a healthier you today. Make clove water a part of your nightly routine and discover the positive changes it can bring to your life.